Nikolai Leontiev, 1881 to 1955, was a Russian-American artist celebrated for his expressive portraits, meticulous attention to detail, and mastery of texture and colors. Known for his ability to blend Impressionism and Russian realism with his own vigorous style. Fission's work reflects a unique synthesis of cultural influences and technical prose. His art, marked by dynamic brushwork and an emotional, often intimate portrayal of his subjects, remain influential and beloved in art circles worldwide. Fishin was born in Kazan, Russia, into a modest artistic family. His father was a skilled woodcarver, trait that influenced by young Nikolai's early artistic development. Recognizing Fishin's talent, his father supported his early education, allowing him to attend the Kazan Art School at the age of 13. Fish is enrolled in the Imperial Academy of Arts in St. Petersburg, where he studied under permanent Russian painters, including Ilya Repin, one of the most respected realist painters in Russia. Under Repin's mentorship, Fishin developed an appreciation for painting not only as a form of personal expression but also as a means of capturing the spirit and essence of his subjects. Fishin's work began gaining recognition during his time at the Imperial Academy, and he won several prestigious awards for his art. The detailed and textured quality of his work, achieved through distinctive brushwork and plate knife techniques, draw acclaim. His studies focused on Russian portraiture and landscapes, deeply rooted in the tradition of Russian realism. Fission's evolving style broke away from strict realism, adopting a more expressive and emotional quality that made his portraits seem almost alive. In 1909, Fischer returned to Kazan, where he worked as a teacher at his former art school. He also married Alexandra, and together they had a daughter, Ia. His work continued to evolve, often featuring portraits and peasants, workers, and people from the lower classes whom he portrayed with dignity and empathy. Fission's skill in depicting texture, whether it was the softness of skin, the ruggedness of fabric, or the intricacy of jewelry, become one of his defining artistic signatures. In 1923, due to the political turmoil following the Russian Revolution and the hardship of the ensuing civil war, Fuchs and his family emigrated of, to the United States with the support of patrons who admired his work. The family initially settled in New York City. However, Fuchs struggled with the urban atmosphere and soon earned for a quieter, more inspiring environment. By 1927, he moved to Tuas, New Mexico, a place that offered him an artistic event, having and a fresh landscapes of vibrant color and unique cultural heritage. In Tua's fishing encountered Native American and Hispanic cultures which become central themes in his work during his period. Fusion's time into a marked a significant artistic transformation. He became captivated by the phases and tradition of the local indigenous communities and depicted theme in numerous portraits that celebrated their heritage and individuality. His Toas residence, designed and built largely by Fusion himself, also reflected his Russian heritage and artistic vision, constructed with intricate woodwork and carvings. The house combined Russian, Native American, and Spanish architectural elements, showcasing Fusion's skill as both a painter and a craftsman. Fusion's personal life, however, was marked by hardship. His marriage ended in divorce, and the phase health challenges due to a long lasting battle with tuberculosis. Despite these difficulties, he remained dedicated to his art and continued to produce work that exemplifies his technical mastery and emotive style. In the latter year of his life, Fuchs traveled extensively, visiting Mexico and returning to Europe. His art continued to evolve, but he never achieved the same stability or acclaim he had known in Tours. Eventually, he moved to Southern California, where he lived until his death in 1955. Today, Nikolai's Fissions is celebrated for his vibrant portraits and scenes that travel and deep